P4. This is Miss Claire, and welcome again in our Math 4 class. And welcome to Chapter 15. Yes, we are now on Chapter 15. In this lesson, it is still connected with fractions. You will study mixed numbers. Are you familiar with mixed numbers? Or have you ever studied this during your Math 3 class? So we will study this in this video. So the learning objectives for this lesson are to recognize mixed numbers and to order mixed numbers on a number line. Okay, P4? Are you ready? Come on, let's start. Okay, let's start. What are mixed numbers? Okay, look at these pictures. We have one whole, and this is 3/5. If we will combine them all together, we have 2 wholes and 3/5. So we have 2 and 3/5. This is now what we call, children, as a mixed number. 2 and 3/5 is a mixed number. A mixed number is consists of a whole number and a fraction. So again, a mixed number is made up of a whole number and a fraction. So it is more than one. Another example, look at the pictures. I have here 3 wholes. Each whole is divided into 4 equal parts. And I have a fraction, and this is only 1/4. If we will add them all together, this is 3 and 1/4. So 3 and 1/4 is a mixed number. Another, take a look. I have 4 wholes, and our fraction here is divided into 9 equal parts. 5 parts is shaded, so this fraction is 5/9. If we will add this is equal to 4 and 5/9. So this is our mixed number. Again, it's more than one. I have here a problem. Carla has 3 pizzas. Her brother Carlo gives her 2/3 of his pizza. How many pizzas do Carla have now altogether? So at first, Carla has 3 pizzas. 1 whole, 1 whole, and 1 whole. Then her brother gives her his 2/3. So this one is 1/3 and another 1/3. So this is 2/3. So how many pizzas now Carla have all together? So let's just add 3 plus 2/3 is 3 and 2/3. I have here some mixed number, and let's name them. Let's start with A. Look at A. How many are whole numbers? 1, 2, 2. How about our fraction? Each one part is divided into 5 parts, so our denominator is 5. Then 2 parts are shaded, so our fraction is 2/5. So this is 2 and 2/5. How about the second one? We have how many wholes? 1, 2, 3. Then 1 part is divided into 3, so and 1 part is shaded, so this is 1/3. So our mixed number is 3 and 1/3. Okay, so our whole number is 3. How about letter C? How many are our wholes? The blue circles, that is full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 circles that is fully shaded. The other one is only how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded, and the whole circle is divided into 8 parts. So this fraction is 5/8. So our mixed number then is 5 and 5/8. Okay. Now for letter D, children, try to find what is the mixed number for this. Okay. And if you know the answer, you can share it during our Zoom meeting. Now let's go to ordering mixed numbers on a number line. Now look at our number line. Our number line is divided into 10 equal parts from 0 to 1. Let's count if this is 10 equal parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the middle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct. So this number line is divided into 10 equal parts. Now let's order or place this fraction on the number line. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we have 6 tens, 4 tens, and 2 tens. 2/10 is on the second part. Okay, so this is 1/10. The first one is 1/10. The second is 2/10. Next is, let's order from the smaller. So this is 4/10 because here this is 3/10. Correct. How about 6/10? Where are we going to put? So after 4/10 is 5/10. So 6/10 is here after 5/10. Correct. Now, if we already have 1, this is 10/10. Remember? When we make 1, the numerator and denominator are same. So after 6/10 is 7/10. Then we have 8/10. And we have 9/10. So this is how to place or order the fraction on the number line. How about if we have mixed number? Okay, I have here. Let's order these fractions or mixed number on a number line. So take a look here. I have 0, then 1, then 2, and 3. Okay. Let's divide one part or 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts. So take a look. So if we divide 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts, each part is what we call 1/3. The second part is 2/3. And the full, if that is already full, that is 1 whole, or we can call it 3/3. Now, if we already have 1 whole, then we have another 1 part because we divide all. If we divide 3 parts from 0 to 1, we will also divide 1 to 2 into 3 equal parts like this. Okay, we divide them the same. So from 1, then we have 1 part. What do we call this one? This is 1 and 1/3. The second part is 1 and 2/3. And if we have another part, that is already 2 wholes. So that is 2. So 2 wholes, 2 whole numbers. Now, after 2, we have another 1 part. That this is another 1/3 here. This is already 1/3, but we already passed 2. So that is already 2 and 1/3. Then 2 and 2/3. And we have another 1 whole, and that is 3. So this is how to put mixed number on a number line. Remember this before. So each marking here that we put, it represents 1/3. Take note, because we divide 0 to 1, 3. We divide it into 3 equal parts. The same with 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So when we move from one marking from 0 to 1 to the next, we count in steps of 1/3. So this is 1/3. This is also another 1/3. Another 1/3. Now we can also divide each number there into 4 equal parts like this. So if we divide it into 4 equal parts, it will look like this. So from 0 to 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Another from 1 to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, so how do we call each part of each marking in this number line? Yes, it represents 1/4 because we divide it into 4 equal parts. So this is 1/4, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and we have 1. After 1, if we add another 1/4, yes, before that, this 1 here is equal to 4 quarters. Remember, if the numerator and denominator is same number, this 1 whole. Because if we add 3/4, then another 1/4, that is 4 quarters or 1. Then after that one is 1 and 1/4. Next is 1 and 2 quarters, 1 and 3 quarters, and we have 2. 2 here is equal to 1 and 4 quarters. Remember, 4 quarters is equal to 1. So 1 and 1 is 2. After 2 is 2 and 1/4, 2 and 2 quarters, 2 and 3 quarters, then we have 3. 3 is equal to 2 and 4 quarters. So take note on this before. So when we move from one marking to the next, we count on in steps of 1/4. So every time we move here, this is by 1/4. Now let's order this fractions on a number line. So we have 2 and 2/5. We have 1 and 1/5. We have 3/5 and we have 3 and 4/5. Okay, so since our denominators are all number 5, so each from number 0 to 1, we divide it by 5. So we have 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same also from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. Let's start with 2 and 2/5. So 2 and 2/5 is more than 2. And we have 2 parts out of 5. So it's around here, this one. So 2 and 2/5 is here. Okay, how about 1 and 1/5? So this is more than 1. So 1 and only 1 part. So it's here. So this is 1 and 1/5. How about 3/5? 3/5 is less than 1. So 3 parts out of 5. So from 0, we have 1, 2, 3. So this one, this is 3/5. Okay, good. Now how about 3 and 4/5? So this is more than 3 and 4 parts out of 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's around here. Okay. Okay, children. So this is the correct order of this fraction on the number line. Take a look. So this is how to place them correctly on a number line. How about, children, if we have some fractions that have different denominators? We have 2 and 1/2, 1 and 3/4, and 3 and 1/4. Let's order them from the largest to the smallest. So we put first 1, 3, and 5. Okay, since the biggest denominator is 4, so we divide 0 to 1 by 4. 1 to 2, 4. 3 to 4, 4 also, and 4 to 5 is 4. Now, how to find the largest fraction or mixed number? Now, to find the largest mixed number, children, all you need first to take a look is the whole number. Look at our 3 mixed number. Which whole number is the largest? Yes, it's 3. Therefore, this is the largest mixed number. And we are going to put it after 3 because 3 and 1/4. So here, this is 3 and 1/4. Okay, let's put it here. So this is the largest mixed number. Next is we have 2 and 1. This one is larger. 2. This one is 2 and 1/2. Means from 2 to number 3, we will find the half. So if we have 4 parts, we divide it into 2 halves. So it's around here. So it's 2 and 1/2. Okay. And the smallest is 1 and 3/4. So this is more than 1, and we have 3/4. It's around here. Okay, so this is the correct order of these 3 numbers or 3 mixed number. So our largest is 3 and 1/4, followed by 2 and 1/2, and the smallest is 1 and 3/4. So this is the correct order of this mixed number from largest to smallest. Okay, P4, that's all about chapter 15, mixed numbers. Now, do you already know or can you recognize mixed numbers? So mixed numbers consist of a whole number and a fraction, and it is more than 1. Okay, so thank you for watching P4, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and have a great day.